Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by energizing the dredge system methodically. Make sure the main breaker is off while you inspect. Once done, confirm a 480 V, 3-phase supply and perform lockout/tagout. This protects you. Prime the hydraulic reservoir to the correct level and bleed lines to avoid cavitation. While you work, check intake clearance and hull stability so suction won't stall. You need these essentials before spinning the repulsion rotor. They prevent damage and set a reliable baseline for the next steps. You now engage the repulsion rotor with controlled ramps to avoid shock loads. Start by opening the feed gate about 10% and observe flow meters for 2 to 3 minutes to establish baseline slurry. Then, ramp the drive motor from 20% to 70% RPM in short increments, pausing to watch vibration and current draw. As you increase speed, tweak the suction nozzle angle in 5-degree steps. This balances cutting efficiency and slurry transport. Make sure to record sensor readings so adjustments are repeatable and safe. You complete the cycle by reducing load carefully. Close the feed gate slowly, then bring RPM down to idle before cutting power. Once idle, flush slurry lines with clean water to prevent drying and inspect wear parts, impellers, nozzles, and seals for scoring or erosion. If you encounter low pump pressure, troubleshoot by checking for air leaks in suction lines, clogged screens, or signs of cavitation. These are common causes. Finally, log runtime and maintenance actions so you can repeat a safer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.